In this particular economy where inflation is steadily on the rise, if you are not currently earning in dollars, well, well, I'm actually glad you found this video because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn in dollars. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the Finance Intel and I help to basically show you ways on how to make money online. And here is our channel where basically go out there, I do the research and I bring it to you and I show you practical ways. That is why I'm always showing you my system. So I'm not doing face-to-face thing where you be seeing my face. So you can see our videos. You can go out there and check others. But this particular video I'm going to be showing you is how you can make dollars online. And if you like content like this, you want to broaden your expand your costs and get more income streams of income, then go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Now, if you think that the dollars will fall on your laps like a thief in the night, or rather, if you think that the dollars is going to fall on your laps without you doing anything, well, I'm sorry, maybe you just have to skip this video and go to somewhere else. The thing about this make money online videos is that people think, oh, never trust online stuffs and all of that. But let me tell you, majority of the things I've learned and put to work that has worked for me, I found them online. So yes, maybe you may have seen several videos talking or stories or anything, but here I actually do my research before putting it out here for you to get in contact with it. And also it doesn't also stop you from also doing your research. Go out there and see what works for you. Now I'm going to go straight into the video. Now the very first one is blogging. Now you would think, because the way some of these things have been put out is as though it is so complicated and you need some level of influence, you need some level of capital and the likes and everything. So I'm going to break it down into bits so that you can understand how this thing works. So basically, blogging is basically sharing ideas or information about a specific topic within a specific niche online. So basically, if you want to be sharing news about what happens within the country or within the world or the world's happening, that is within the news niche. That is an aspect of blogging. You can also share information about fashion. You can share information about politics. You can share information about makeup and beauty. You can share information about fitness or entertainment. What is Davido doing now? What did Chris Brown do today? What did this, that, yada, yada, yada. That is the entertainment niche. So you are just putting out info. Let me tell you, if you go online now, and you search something online, if I take banana, does it help me grow my hair? Let's say that's what you search. Do you know that what will be the feedback that the internet or Google will bring back to you are basically bloggers, people who have gone to do their research and they have put it down, written it out into a compelling form of writing for you to go there and you get that sort of information. Now, this is where you come in. So instead of you to continually be consuming information, you can be the one putting it out there. And in this age and time, you don't need to be a web designer to create your own website and start blogging. You can actually utilize Wix, you can utilize WordPress, and of course, you get your website running. And you can also, all you need to do is host the website, and you can utilize Hostinger, you can utilize Bluehost, you can utilize DreamHost, and the likes of that just to use the website. Now, the second one is virtual assistant. Now, what I love about this particular one is that it literally requires very little or no capital at all. Now, how virtual assistant works is, let me break it down to you, because this is actually the easiest and it is very lucrative. So even if you do not have a particular professional skill, you can become a virtual assistant now. And of course, you go out there and start earning. So basically, virtual assistant is you are helping busy individuals take off some tasks from their some tasks that normally they should do. You are helping them take it off, take the burden off of them. So you are being outsourced. They are outsourcing you. For example, let's say you are a busy 9 to 5 worker and your work involves you traveling, doing so many things. And when you get home, you are usually very tired. What you do is you now get someone that comes to clean your house because you don't have time to do that intense deep cleaning every day. I'm just giving you an example. That individual you are getting, you are outsourcing the person to relieve you of the burden of having to wake up every morning to clean your house, to scrub the walls, to do this, do that, yada. Same case for a nanny. Now, for virtual assistant, the difference is this one happens online. That's why it's called virtual. So basically, you are helping busy individuals take up online boardings, most likely busy professionals, basic online boardings from them. This can involve checking mails. I'm going to show you a screenshot of the first of because the very first $100 job I secured online was a virtual assistant job, and I did this last year. Like I said, a job. So this is the screenshot, and it was virtual assistant to just make posts on social media. So this virtual assistant job, someone can outsource you to literally be reading his mails because he doesn't have time to. So you check through his mails and give the person feedback on the important mails that he has. Or the person, for example, people in the entertainment industry, the global brands, like let's say Davido, Burna Boy, Wizkid, these people are so engrossed in doing the work that they will not have the time, or the time they will have left is to do for you get in touch with their family or do other things. They will not have the time to now come and be posting on Instagram, post on Facebook every single time. So this is why they will outsource it to a social media personnel or social media manager to manage that. So the person will now be assume their place online and be replying comments, posting things, posting that. And of course, you do not need experience to post on a page. You don't need any level of skill. Now, so this particular job that I got it to make posts on social media. I didn't even have to go through any level of skill training on how to be a virtual assistant. I actually know of someone who got a job for someone to plan his time, to plan the person's time. For example, the person oversleeps. That's the person's issue. The person is a professional that oversleeps. So the person got the job to be waking the person up every morning. Let's say the person is to wake up by 5 a.m. You have to ring the person's line by 5 a.m. That is why the person is paid. I had one that I also know of somebody who got a virtual assistant job to be reaching out to his girlfriend, not physically, like I said, virtually. The girl can feel loved even when the person, the actual guy or the actual spouse or boyfriend is busy, right? And basically, on this for virtual assistant, you can find jobs on Upwork. All you need to do is you sign up, get an account on Upwork, and of course, start looking for work. You can also check out on Fiverr where you create a gig and say, "Oh, I'm a virtual assistant, and I can help you check your mails. I can help you do tasks. I can help you with your typing jobs. I can help you input data into spreadsheets." All those things do not need any level of high ranking skill or anything. You can also check freelancer.com, and they are numerous. So they are actually numerous. Now, the very third on the list is affiliate marketing. Now, several of you will say, "Oh, affiliate marketing, blah, blah, blah." Now, it is because they have made it look complicated in the eyes. So when you hear it, it tingles you in the ear. I'm going to be breaking it down now because I know that there are some persons who might have had their fair share of affiliate marketing. So I want you to leave in the comment, have you tried it? Did it work for you? Will you like to try it again so that I will know if I'm going to start explaining as though I'm teaching a 12-year-old so that you can get the whole bulk of it. So leave in the comment, have you tried it? And also leave in the comment if you would like me to do a full video on this specific one. This virtual assistant now, if that's not the first job I got to, I've gotten a commission job that's of Upwork and I made some money. I've gotten another job also with virtual assistant. So if you want me to make a video of that, I can actually do that, show you step by step. Okay, so leave me in the comments which one of them you would like for me to make a full video about, if you would love that. Now, for this affiliate marketing, to break it down, affiliate marketing is basically selling something and you are getting a commission. This one, the beautiful thing about this one is you need little or no investment, meaning you are not selling to someone because you have the product. No. So you don't need to have the product, you don't need to have a shop or anything. The person who does the product has done the job. All you have to do is advertise, or you have to get awareness as regards that product. And once anybody buys that product, you get a certain commission. That is all. But the mistake that people make, okay, because if that's why they feel it is hard. Nothing is hard when you understand the basics of it. Okay. The mistake that people make is that they either selling the right product to the wrong person, selling the wrong product to the right person, or they're selling the wrong product to the wrong person. Now, in affiliate marketing, you have to sell the right product to the right person. So you need to know the right product. And that is where the sweetness of it comes in. So I'm not going to go into extreme details because that's not what this video is about. I want you to leave in the comments if you would like me to expand on this. That's when I will go into in-depth. I've just given you the basics on which one would excite you for you to delve into and go and do more research on. So now you need to sell the right product to the right person. So let me give you an instance of how affiliate marketing works. So let's say there's a Chinese marketer who sells a certain machine. Now he cannot get to the people in Nigeria, probably due to reach, due to language barrier, due to so many other things, okay, and due to trust, because people will always trust someone more within, okay, at least the distance. Oh, he's still in Nigeria. So you will now get to know that this Chinese marketer is selling this machine. Then you will now pick up this machine and advertise, maybe on your Facebook page or your Instagram page. The moment anybody pays for that machine to the Chinese man, yes, the moment anybody pays, maybe based on agreement, let's say the Chinese man has agreed to give you 5% of it. So if the machine costs 100,000 naira or $1,000, then you have automatically gotten your 5%. Okay, now there are several websites you can actually leverage on that. There are several websites. This is just an example. I'm not saying go and start selling machines, because now, like I said, you need to know the right products. That's why I said if you want me to do a full video, leave it in the comment section. Now there are several websites you can actually leverage on for affiliate marketing. There are the likes of Amazon, there are the likes of Jumia, there are the likes of Konga or Shopify. Now, I'm not saying you can actually go to this website and, of course, start an affiliate program with them, but there are specific ways to cash in on this, squeeze the juice, which I can teach you if you leave it in the comment section. Just say, I would like more video on affiliate marketing. Then we'll take it up from there. Now, the fourth on the list is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. In this 2024, if you are not still convinced that cryptocurrency is here to stay, I don't know what else to convince you. Yes, it is here to stay. Now, one of the ways you can actually make money in dollars, trading cryptocurrency. So you get to people who have some certain cryptocurrency and they want to trade it, okay? Especially leveraging on the inflation of the currency. When they get to trade it, of course, you add a little bit of extra of your price in it, okay? So for this particular one, I may have not done so much of it, but I must tell you, if you had, but let's say, for example, you had bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was as at how many years back, when Bitcoin was very cheap. If you had kept your Bitcoin by now, I know how much you'll be making. And I had a certain level of USDT that I cashed out from a certain, online platform that I was making money. So I cashed it out. And as at then, when I invested it, let's say, when I invested $100, $150 was like about, let's say, 75,000 naira, for example. That's how it was. By the time I was cashing it out, you already know what dollar is saying right now, right? So this is another way which you can make money online. And one of the platforms you can utilize to trade this Bitcoin and your cryptocurrency, we all know, is Binance. And of course, you can do more research on that and, of course, leverage on that. Now, the fifth one, I saved this one for the last because this particular one there, now all my power, all my energy is inside it. Now, the last one is starting a YouTube channel. Yes. Now, this particular one, I can talk about it all day long because what? It works. I must tell you, it works. But the thing about this one is that people have with it is that people are not patient enough. People are not consistent enough. People want what they can do today, and in 2 weeks' time, they are making 1 million naira. No. Starting a YouTube channel, I must say, is a long time investment. I'm not talking about is something that it's like a skill or anything. This is an investment, starting a YouTube channel. Now, this is a screenshot of how much I had earned from two videos. Two videos I had went viral, and this is how much I earned in a single month. A single month. This is from one of my channels in a single month. And these videos, they were not even long form videos like this one I'm doing now. They are shorts, YouTube shorts. Two YouTube shorts went viral. This is how much I earned. Now, this particular one requires, in fact, little or no capital. Why I used to say little is because you can still invest in it. So I will not say it requires no capital, then you will not say, oh, CFI said so. No, it requires little to no capital. And starting a YouTube channel is literally free. You can start a YouTube channel now and start posting. Basically, starting a YouTube channel is, you must be able, it's just about sharing information. For example, now you go on YouTube and you search how to braid all back or how to braid cornrows. You see a video and you start trying it from that video. Do you know that that video is somebody like you that created it for you to watch, and that person is getting paid? Yes. So the challenge that people have with starting a YouTube channel is that is the motivation, because it's a roller coaster ride. Yeah, it's a roller coaster. So people want to put out videos and they go viral, piam, overnight like juju. It would take a while, and most times people need some certain level of motivation in order for them to remain that consistent and committed. Now, one thing I would like to do, it has been on my mind, and I said, let me launch it out first of all to my subscribers and people who are watching this video. I want to start a 30-day marathon for small creators. So if you're either a small creator, let's say within 0 to 1,000 followers, or yeah, you're a small creator, or you want to start a YouTube channel, you have been procrastinating, you need motivation, you need somebody to ginger you, group where everybody is giving their dashboards about their YouTube channel. I want to start a 30-day marathon. Even myself, too, I will be involved in this marathon. And we are all going to be sharing ideas, and we're going to be exploring ways to grow our channel. You'll be posting how your channel is been doing in 1 week time, in 2 weeks time. I want to start a 30-day marathon. So we can all come up. Those who want to do YouTube channel can come up, and you can be able to see how your growth is so far. Then if after that 30-day marathon, the thing makes sense and I'm gingered, we can now take it again to another 30 days. So I want to know, what do you think of it? If you have always loved to start a YouTube channel, maybe about fashion, about even about make money online, or about finance, or about trading, or about vlogs, travels, lifestyle content, whatever it is, let me know in the comment section so that I can know those who are interested, and we can start the marathon. We can plan for it and start the marathon. So basically, starting a YouTube channel, all you need is your smartphone. You need your smartphone, and even if you are shy to look at the camera, even if you are shy, you can actually do YouTube channel, faceless YouTube channel, and make money. Let me show you a video. Recently, I've made a few videos on some channel ideas you can start and make money. You can see there's kids animation. You can start a kids animation channel. You can go there and watch it and see how it is done. This particular one, I did it with all the tools free. Okay, all the tools are free. You don't have to use your face. Okay, you can also do folklore animation videos, this particular video here. So I will recommend watching this video and this video. I will also attach it behind, and I will also leave the description in my YouTube channel. So now I hope you found this video helpful. First of all, leave in the comment section if you have tried affiliate marketing. Leave in the comment section if you want me to enlarge or elaborate more on any of these particular means of making dollars online. If you want me to do a separate video on it, then also leave in the comment section if you are interested in the 30-day marathon. So I hope you found this video helpful. I remain TFI, and I help to show you ways on how to make money online. Do well to join my Telegram community. I'll also be leaving it in the description below. I get to post updates, make money online updates. And if we should even start our 30-day marathon, it's in my Telegram community. You'll be fully aware. So go down in the description, click and join. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get more updates. Make sure to smash the notification bell icon so when next I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you the very first. So stay tuned and bye.